Welcome to Business Central Tips and Tricks video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Quick data input, copy and paste. Let's explore copy and paste in Business Central. You can use this feature in many areas, but it's particularly handy when working with rows or lines. Copying and pasting works the same as in other Microsoft products. Once you've selected a line, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and you'll receive confirmation that the row has been copied. Then, move to another row and use Ctrl+V to paste the information. If you select multiple items, you can copy them all at once using Ctrl+C and then paste them with Ctrl+V in the new location. This process can be repeated for as many records as needed, making it quick and simple.